Ninja Game. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be looking at another set that I made, which is the Queen Bee boss fight. Now, I know it don't really look like that much, but I didn't have that many green pieces because I'm working on something at the moment, and I couldn't really do the hive because it took a lot of yellow pieces to build that. So let's start with the minifigures and accessories. First we got this guy who appeared in the Eye of Cthulhu boss fight set, the Wall of Flesh boss fight set, and I think he also appeared in the cave base breaking, I forgot what it's called, but yeah. Then we got this guy who appeared in the Eye of Cthulhu boss fight set, the Living Tree set, the Wall of Flesh boss fight set, yeah. And yeah, so now we go into the accessories. So we've got a mana potion, got a torch which you can flip around if you want to place it down. We've got a couple of bees, since this is the Queen Bee. Then we got the Ivy Whip, a mini shark, and a water bolt. So then there's this little mini build. You can also use it to display the figures. Put one there, and you can put one there. It's not that complicated of a build, it's just a tiny little jungle build. But now, let's get on to the Queen Bee, because there are some more accessories in it. So, actually, let's look at them first. So you can take this bit off, and let me just... Okay, so I'm back. So we got a beanade, a bottle of honey, and the bee's knees, which I'll just attach to one of the characters. Because it attaches using this. Let me just so yeah, that is the bee's knees. So yep, that's the accessories. Then you can easily put this back. It's a bit hard to pull. Okay, I'm done. So here's the actual build. Let's go through it. So we got the part where it shoots the stingers and bees out. We've got the main head and the wings. We've got the stripes. Yeah, I'll just put it how I like it. So yep, that's the set. I'll just the ground. I'm gonna put those to the side because I don't really know what to do with them. But anyway, Ninja Games out.